This little area right here is where the Lividae family that I had mentioned to y'all earlier had already started to bury their dead. Actually, these two plots right here, these two tombs, these old brick-looking tombs right there, y'all, they predate the cemetery. They are here since the late 1700s. That smaller tomb was actually a Lividae family tomb that used to be almost as tall as the tomb next to it, but has since sank into the ground. But then the other one that you're looking at right there, well, y'all, that is a slave's tomb. Now, we don't know that for sure because there's no markings on it, but because there's no markings on it, we can assume that it was, because that was typical of a slave's tomb at that time. And so, y'all, we don't know for sure, but we can reasonably assume that. Now, y'all, another interesting little detail about this cemetery right here, it is a municipal cemetery, meaning, what's interesting about that is, y'all, it's non-segregated, meaning it doesn't matter your race, your religion, your country of origin, they will bury you in this cemetery anywhere you want as long as you can afford it. Okay, and then another fun fact about the cemetery, you'll get a lot of bodies in this cemetery, Actually, the dead, we get about, in this cemetery right here, about 10,000 bodies. And that's interesting, y'all, because of the size of it, it equates to around 30 bodies per square foot. That is a good number, and that is actually where I say to people, look, if you were worried about walking over corpses today, I need you to get that out your mind, because you are already walking over the dead people already. Y'all, it's happened to you. It's pretty much true anywhere you walk in New Orleans. We have had cemeteries all over the city throughout the past. But anyway, y'all, that's a big number, 10,000 bodies. Over in St. Louis, number 1, though, they got about 100,000 bodies. That's 300 bodies per square foot, because it's just about the same size. Now, if you're curious how that's possible, a lot of people are. It's just like when they look at the tombs, they see all these names on the front, but there's only enough room in there for maybe like 2 bodies. Well, people want to know how that's possible. I'd love to teach you that, but I'm going to get some better visual aids, y'all. We're going to go to another shady spot. I know we're going to gather up. I'm going to teach you how we fit all that dead, all them bodies, y'all, in such a tiny little space. Y'all keep following me.
Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, yeah. Your love be like, no. Your love be like, oh, 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 oh. Your love be like, I don't wanna see your face no more. That you're on the dance floor. I don't wanna see your face no more. That you're on the dance floor.
Hey guys, I look kind of stupid because I look a little dark. I don't know if you could hear me. It's kind of loud. Well, I got a tan, but as you guys saw, we went to a garden district tour. That was really, really fun, really good. And then we went back to the hotel for a little bit, packed our stuff. So tomorrow morning, because our flight is really early, so we saved time for tomorrow. And then me and my other sister went walking around to, well, actually we didn't go get cash out, so we went to Chase. But we went to the Louis Armstrong Park. It's like really close by. I didn't realize that was it when we were like driving past it. That was really nice. And then we met up with my other sister and we went to Cafe Du Monde. I guess that's how you say it. And that's why I just showed you guys the little bag. But now we're gonna go walk around some stores and then I guess go back to the hotel and then get ready because we have a dinner tonight for my cousin. Yeah, so I'll show you guys that. Kind of want to come back here later because it's 24 hours because this frozen iced coffee thing is delicious. Hey guys, so I'm all dressed up. Well, my contour, whatever that is, looking popping right now. And I added some definition to my eyelids, so it looks like I have eyelids, but I don't. But if you can hear that, you probably can't because my camera is really good with this microphone. There was just a wedding outside where the pool is. And I don't really want to film anyone, but I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. That's what was happening. And then there's like a live band over there. Cool. It was really cute, but I don't really want to show you guys my outfit because I'm gonna probably post it on my Instagram, maybe, because it might be dark outside, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. I'm just wearing this colorful jumpsuit with these yellow earrings and yellow shoes and a yellow bag that I showed you guys in my, whatchamacallit, I think it was my pack with me video. Yeah, it's a little echoey in here. But it's currently like 6 or 6:30. I don't really know, but our dinner is at 8. And I don't know what it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be seafood again, which I don't mind, but I don't know if I want to get fried seafood. But if that's all they had, then I guess I'll stick to it. But I'm more of a fresh seafood kind of person. Like I could eat 12,000 shrimps in one sitting. So hopefully it's like that, but maybe not. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do next. We were gonna go to a brewery, but I was taking too long to charge my phone. Yeah, we can still probably go. But after that, we're gonna go to the dinner. And then after that, I guess just come back because we have a early flight. And yeah. I mean, I would go out a little bit after because I don't think it takes that long to eat. So I would do a little something.
Yeah.